Most budget survival kits look passable until you actually need them. Today, we're building a real starter survival kit that works for under $100 using items you can find locally. No fluff, no gimmicks. Let's build this thing right. Your life may depend on it. Welcome to the Practical Prepper Network. If you're new here, we're all about the preservation of life, clear, practical readiness for real families. Subscribe if you want kits and playbooks that actually hold up in the field. Your starter kit should solve the problems you'll face most often. Light when the power's out, water you can drink safely, fire and warmth for cooking and hypothermia prevention, shelter from rain and wind without a full tent, basic first aid for cuts, burns, and blisters, cutting and cordage to make everything else work, simple navigation and communication, and a way to carry it. Mobility is survival. We're assembling by purpose, not brand, so you can swap your gear out with higher quality when you're able. Let's get it started with light. Get a basic headlamp that runs on AAA batteries and throw in a spare set. Hands-free light multiplies your capability immediately. You can cook, bandage, and navigate without juggling a flashlight. Water is next. Grab a small purifying squeeze filter, 2 1-liter bottles, and a tiny dropper bottle with unscented household bleach labeled water treatment. The filter handles the dirty work. The 2 bottles give you carry and rationing. The bleach is your backup for clear water. 8 drops per gallon, 16 if the water is cloudy, then wait 30 minutes. Fire and heat. 2 Bic lighters solve almost every fire-starting task. Add a ferro rod if your budget allows. For tinder, toss a few cotton pads or a pinch of dryer lint into a zip bag. If you have petroleum jelly at home, work a little into the cotton and it will catch fast and burn hot. Shelter and weather protection. Contractor-grade trash bags are the unsung hero. Use them as ponchos, ground sheets, even insulation stuffed with leaves. Add a Mylar emergency blanket for heat reflection and signaling, and a lightweight rain poncho if your area is wet. First aid should cover what you actually face. Assorted bandages, gauze, a small roll of tape, antibiotic ointment, alcohol wipes, moleskin for blisters, and a few pain relievers. If you take daily medication, pack a 72-hour supply in a labeled mini container. Cutting and cordage, choose a simple fixed-blade utility knife or a reputable budget fixed blade. It's safer under load and easier to clean than a cheap multi-tool. Add 50 feet of paracord, or bank line if it's cheaper, and a flat card of duct tape. With those, you can build shelter, lash gear, repair packs, and improvise splints. Navigation and communication. A whistle carries farther than your voice and saves your throat. A tiny compass beats guessing when stress scrambles your sense of direction. Add a Sharpie and an index card for directions, notes, and leave-behind messages. Hygiene, toothbrush, travel toothpaste, hand wipes, a small hand sanitizer, and any feminine products you or your family need. Clean hands and a clean mouth prevent illness, which saves water and energy later. Carry it all in a simple day pack. If you already own a backpack, use that and spend the saved money strengthening a weak category above. If it isn't comfortable, you won't carry it. Now let's talk about why these choices work and the traps we're avoiding. A headlamp gives you 2 free hands. Spare batteries live in a small zip bag so they don't drift to the bottom of the pack. A squeeze filter and 2 bottles let you collect, filter, and store efficiently. Bleach is a proven backup when the water is clear and you need a quick disinfectant option. 2 lighters provide redundancy without complexity. A ferro rod is weatherproof insurance. Cotton pads with a bit of petroleum jelly light easily and buy you time when the wood is damp. Contractor bags are cheap, tough, and versatile. The Mylar blanket is heat reflection and signal in one tiny package. First aid stays focused on the likely stuff. Cuts from kitchen or camp tasks. Minor burns, splinters, blisters, and headaches. Add personal meds so an ordinary delay doesn't become an emergency. A fixed blade is safer for real pressure and batoning small sticks than a bargain multi-tool. Cordage and duct tape let you turn a few objects into many solutions. For navigation and comms, don't rely on your phone. Batteries die and towers fail. A whistle pattern everyone understands cuts through chaos. A basic compass helps you avoid walking in circles. Writing tools let you leave instructions or record critical info when memory fades. Pack it so it works under stress. If the pack feels heavy now, it will feel brutal later. This kit should stay light enough that you can actually hike with it. Now, run a few drills to build confidence. Do a 24-hour simulated blackout at home. Turn off the power at the breaker and use only what's in your kit. Practice water treatment. Fill one bottle from the tap. Tint it with a pinch of instant coffee to simulate dirty water. Then run it through your filter into the second bottle. Now you know the motions when it counts. Build a fast shelter. Throw a contractor bag over a paracord ridgeline between two posts or trees. Use duct tape to form quick tabs if needed. Sit under it and feel the difference the windbreak makes. Care for your feet. Put on the shoes you'd wear in an emergency, your pack, and walk a mile. If hot spots form, stop immediately and apply moleskin. Don't wait for a blister. Teach family communication. 3 long whistle blasts mean, "Come to me now." Show kids where the kit lives and how to put on the headlamp. The best kit is the one everyone can use. If you have $10 to $25 extra dollars, consider smart upgrades like work gloves for handling hot cookware, glass, or rough lumber. A small USB power bank, keep it charged. A tiny folding stove with fuel tabs for quick and simple boiling. A 2 or 3 liter water bag to increase your carrying capacity. Upgrade things slowly. The goal is confidence, not speed. Here's what we left out on purpose. Big sleeping systems and full tents blow the budget and the weight. Contractor bags or a small tarp, clothing layers, and a windbreak get you through in most scenarios. Trauma kits are a must-have, but after you've got the basics. Add a tourniquet and proper training as soon as possible. Name brand multi-tools are great when they're quality, but cheap ones fail under load. If you already have a good one, cool. Don't force it into a $100 build. The point of a starter kit isn't to win Instagram and look cool. It's to keep you capable and ready for what the future holds. For around $100, you now have a light, purpose-built survival kit. Tell me in the comments if you want a Walmart-only version or an Amazon challenge build. If you want to see the $250 version that adds power and cooking, I'll build that next. Drop a like, subscribe, and share this with someone you want to survive the coming unpleasantness. Your kit doesn't have to be perfect. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.